Kailangan may ganyan kami sa bahay.
Perfect. Ang galing. Wow! Ganda. Ganda ng sulat mo ah. Maganda pa yung sulat mo sa akin eh. Maganda pa yung sulat mo sa akin. Nakabaligtad pa lang. Very good. Wow.
Okay.
Very good.
But I know I'm going to give you a different number.